We are infinite beings, yet most of us live unaware of this truth. We feel constrained, limited by the walls we create around ourselves. But what if those walls don't exist? What if we are the universe, vast and boundless? When we awaken to our limitless nature, the horizons expand, and suddenly, we are not just a part of the universe. We are the universe. And in that realization, we begin to bask in the abundance provided by the Universal Mother. She has always been there, waiting for us to recognize our true potential. The cosmos stretches endlessly before us, reminding us that we, too, are infinite.